I'm Daniel Tim.
Yeah, we're with CCSK Law, here to talk to you today about some business. All right, Daniel.
Yes, sir.
Who are you?
I'm Daniel Tim. I am a business and real estate attorney here at CCSK Law.
All right, and what do you love about the fall time?
Nothing. I don't like the cold and I don't like to rake leaves.
Okay, all right. How do you feel about shoveling snow?
I do not shovel snow.
Well, what could you do as an alternative?
You could start a snowplow business.
Hey, you could start a snowplow business. All right, so what is a snowplow business, essentially?
It is a business where one has one too many trucks to go out and either plow snow or unload snow blowers, blow snow, or children sometimes walk around neighborhoods with shovels, which would be a snow shoveling business rather than a snowplow business.
Fair enough. What are some of the risks involved with starting said snowplow business?
Basically the same risks associated with any small business venture. Specifically for that business, you would have to worry about damage that you might do to property.
You mean by running your truck like right into someone's house?
Correct.
Yeah.
Or tearing up their lawn.
Mm.
Also, there could potentially be issues if it's your responsibility to take care of a property and somebody slips and falls on the property. Oh.
Yeah, because they hired you to remove the ice, and if you didn't do your job well enough.
Correct.
Okay. All right. Well, let's say that, okay, you want to take on those risks because there's money to be made. Am I right?
There is, absolutely. Yeah, if you have good equipment, reliable people, you can get out there and get contracts, get a route basically. And have an automatic contract set up where if it snows over a certain amount, you just know to go out and plow, and then you get the bill.
Oh, so. Nice. All right, do something on those snowy days. Oh, that's fantastic. All right, so I want to start a snow plowing business. What do I do first?
First, you would formulate a plan. So, like with any business, you need to kind of sit down and think about, okay, how much money am I going to invest?
Mm-hmm.
What equipment am I going to need? Where am I going to get my clients? These type of things.
Oh, sure.
So once you have a plan, figure out a company name, then we're going to start thinking about the structure of the business. In most cases in Indiana, it would probably make sense to start an LLC, draft an operating agreement, and then you're going to want to talk to an insurance professional to make sure that you have the proper insurance in place to try to shift the risks that we just discussed.
Right. Someone slips and falls, you should probably have insurance for it. Correct. That makes sense.
So formulating the LLC will shift or will limit the risk of your personal risk for those type of things should something happen, but then insurance further shifts that risk. That'll actually shift the risk to the insurance company for the most part. And then you're going to want to have us do a little bit of research, make sure that there's no special licenses required to have a snowplow business.
Oh, starting to get into the legal realm.
Correct.
All right.
Well, starting with the LLC.
The LLC even starts with the legal realm, yeah.
And then we're going to want to make sure that we draft a contract that gives you the proper protections. For your business. That's something that we obviously know how to do. And then we would you would probably want to come up with a contingency plan. So if you only have one truck, you got your route going on, it just snowed 6 inches, you get out to your truck, start, nothing happens. Now what do you do? Okay. So that's going to be something that you're going to want to have a contingency plan for.
Nice.
Once you have all of that in place, start advertising. In modern age, you can do a lot of advertising, Craigslist, Facebook, internet type stuff.
Oh, makes sense.
Those like Porter County Talking, the Fort County Talking. There's a lot of people asking for referrals on social media. Or you could do it the old traditional way. You go to the little restaurants and you put your business card, thumbtack it up on the bulletin board.
For those old people that can't shovel it or don't want to shovel it.
Correct. Yeah. So if you're only going to have a couple of trucks, though, I would recommend that you start out pretty small, mostly residential.
Yeah.
But there's people out there that have a fleet of trucks that take care of the commercial. Commercial is a different a different animal altogether when it comes to,
Yeah.
you know, if I'm paying you, if I have a contract with you and you're supposed to come and plow me out, say, if it snows more than 2 inches,
Yeah.
and you don't come till 11 o'clock in the morning, it's probably not going to be that big of a deal. But
Yeah.
if you have 6 different businesses and it snows 1.5 feet, you're either going to have to start really early, or because their parking lots need to be clear by whatever time you put in your contract. So there's a lot of things to consider, and that's something that we could help them kind of decide as we work through the process.
So if you don't wake up well in the morning, you probably shouldn't start a snow plowing business. Okay, no, fair enough.
Nope.
Oh man. Well, no. Okay, fantastic. This is some really good information for starting. Sounds like there's a plan that you got to get in place.
Mm-hmm.
Got to meet with your attorney.
Yep.
Right. Meet with an insurance agent, and then start some advertising once you're up and going.
And then you also have to consider, what are you going to do in the off season? So obviously in this area, plowing snow is good for, you know, hopefully not starting until December, January, February, but you know, this year maybe you could have got one in October, but pretty much after March, there's nothing left. So a lot of times people either do this as a side job or side business in the winter, or they pair it with some type of a lawn care company, something more seasonal towards the warmer weather.
No, I've definitely seen that.
Yeah, in the fall they come in those leaves I hate raking.
Those leaves.
My guys just came the other day and took care of the leaves. So
nice. So you took that business and you turned it all seasons.
Correct.
Nice.
Yep.
Nice. That's fantastic. All right. So how do they reach you to start?
You can email me, Daniel@ccsklaw.com, or you could call our fabulous assistant, Lindsay, and she will schedule an appointment to come talk to me, or you can message me on Facebook, however.
Okay.
Yeah.
Fantastic. And then is CCSK going to start up our own snow plowing business, or?
We're not.
No, we don't want to do that.
That will not be.
That sounds like a terrible idea.
Now, if we did, we might, because then I don't have to pay somebody. So we'll talk about it.
All right. So look for us again to talk more about other types of business and business startups, and also look for us on the roads with our snow plowing business. We're just kidding. We're not going to do that. All right.
Is it over?
Almost.